Give me, don't worry. Wait.
Can we go? Senator Nengi will brief you on the outcome of our meeting today. Please, Senator.
Are you straight?
Yes.
Yeah, good afternoon, Nigerians, and good afternoon, members of the PDP worldwide. We have just concluded a BoT meeting today. Amongst other things that we have discussed, first, we congratulated ourselves as members of the PDP in securing the election in Osun State. We equally commended the National Working Committee under the able leadership of Dr. Ayu for conducting a very successful party convention and party primaries. We have equally commended the National Working Committee for bringing very thorough financial standing in our party for the very first time in a long time. We have equally set out in this meeting committee of the BoT to be able to interface between warring factions, particularly between the Acrimony that is taking place between the presidential candidate and Governor Wike and any other conflict that is taking place in the nation within our party formation. That is the conclusion of the meeting.
So has your party been able to resolve as to whether or not the national chairman should step down?
That has never been a matter. We have not even discussed any issue of anybody stepping down. We discuss what we discuss, and what we discuss is what I told you.
So, Senator, sir, you said the BoT raised a committee. Who are members of this committee, and how long do they have to resolve this matter? And what is the position of the BoT, especially the grievances of the governor of Rivers State? And
the committee is a committee of the whole. That means every other BoT member is a member of the committee. And I cannot tell you the grievances and the time frame. But right now, we're heading to the House candidate in Asokoro as to start this project.
Okay, but you set an earlier committee. The chairman announced an earlier committee headed by the candidate, Atiku. What are the form of that committee?
That is not within the purview of the BoT. This is a BoT committee. That one is the National Working Committee. Thank you very much.